right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now this is an unboxing of all the things I got for our movie night. I have a problem when it comes to shopping. Like, all this stuff came from Amazon. Don't ask me what's in here because I don't know. But we finna find out right now. Today. On camera. Don't ask. Why the fuck is this shit so good? Damn! These are the popcorn season I ordered. I thought they were bigger than this. Yeah. You could get like 3 popcorn kernels with this because I don't know. But it's white cheddar, caramel corn. Why am I supposed to show this to the camera? Nacho cheddar, cheesy jalapeno, jalapeno, butter. What is this? Bacon cheddar, kettle corn, and I think this is ranch. Yeah, ranch. I said I got these for the movie night. It's not like I'm gonna use it all the time. I might. I don't know. What's this? This feel like Christmas. It do for real. Ouch. Oh, okay. These are my cups and my lids and my straws. Don't get my fingernails. My cups and my lids and my straws for the drinks. We're gonna have daiquiris and we're gonna have like regular water and regular drinks. This is a 100 pack. Like I said, it all came from Amazon. I don't know how much it costs. Whatever.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you crank. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out.
These are my popcorn bags. Why the fuck everything's so freaking small? I thought these were way bigger than this. This was supposed to be for the hot dogs, but y'all think they can fit? Y'all think they can fit?
Y'all think they can fit?
That's it. Okay, so, okay, these are my nacho trays. I'm excited about these because I like nachos. It's gonna be like deeper than this, but this is fine. We're having Rotel nachos, so this is perfect. What is this? Oh, Jesus. What is this? These are our cafeteria trays. You put your stuff on here, your drink and all that. You go to your seat and you don't waste shit on my stuff, okay? It's about 12, that's all that's in here. This is kind of heavy, so I think I know what this is. I don't feel like I'm gonna cut myself.
This is gonna be what I think it is. And look at that, open it, and then
My popcorn machine. This is what I've been most excited for. This is the West Bend popcorn machine. And this was only like $38. $38, $40. It's smaller than what I want to open it. Yeah, I'm not going to open this all the way because I am going to do a review on it, test out the popcorn, see how it tastes, make sure it tastes good for me before I give it to somebody else. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for that. Oh, this is my hot dog maker. Look at it. This shit better not be rewind, bring it back. This better not be broke. It better not be broke. And see, when I ordered it, if y'all noticed, I tried to go like with the same color scheme. This I got from Amazon. And these are the movie trays. So they open up, pop out. You sit your popcorn here, your drink here, and your candy here. This I got from Walmart. It was, yeah, it was $10. And I'm gonna put, because we are watching the Lovebirds, it's gonna say now playing the Lovebirds. I don't know where I'm gonna sit it at yet. And it lights up. Come with all this on the back. Y'all will see in the movie night video that we're gonna do. This was really unnecessary, but I wanted it. It's just a small drink cooler. It holds 6 canned drinks. It was $30 at Walmart. And last but not least, popcorn. I got the white popcorn and the popcorn oil because this was only $1.28 when the other popcorn was like $4 and this was $4 by itself. That was the end of the unboxing. I'm about to clean all this stuff up and give y'all a quick tour of my movie room, so look out for that or stay tuned. Hey friends, how y'all doing? So, everybody been asking me about my movie room. It's right there. Since y'all been asking, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a tour, so follow me up. Don't follow me.
Follow me. Don't follow me.
Alright guys, this is my movie room. As you can see, it seats about 6 people. Those 4 chairs in the back, I got from Amazon. They were about $100 a piece. They do let back. I'm not gonna show you that though, because these are the star of the show. This is my husband and I seat, king and queen seat. We got these from American Signature. They were a little under $600, and these let back. Don't get my watch. Slowly, yeah. And let back. You can chill, be comfortable, be cute. It goes back some more, but I'm not gonna do all that. Got 2 cup holders where we stick the remotes. There's a phone charger in here. So now let's go to my projector up here. So this here is the Optima projector. It was about $450 from Amazon. It is a full 3D projector. It's 1080p and it has HDMI. We have our Fire Stick to the back of it. Yeah, and it's amazing. I love it. So let's turn it on real quick and just see the video quality. Now we don't have a screen. I had my sister paint the wall the same gray, the same color gray, and we just watched the movie straight off the wall. The sound bar came from Walmart. It's a Samsung sound bar. It has about, I think, 3 or 5 speakers on the front of it, and it also came with this subwoofer down here. It was about $200. The sound quality is amazing. And it goes up to about 50. Amazing. I'm not gonna turn it all the way up because copyright, we're not trying to do all that. But yeah, the walls are painted by my sister. As I said, the lights dim. That's about it. This is my favorite room in the house. I love the movie room, and I can't wait to have our movie night. I'm whispering, right? So listen, I'm gonna tell y'all why I'm whispering in a minute. I just got done doing my movie room tour and my unboxing, right? And because I'm having a movie night, y'all know, if y'all don't know, check the video. I'm doing a movie night with a bunch of ladies, and I'm supposed to be taking invitations to my guests for the movie night, but 2 of them just popped up in my house, so I had to come get the invitations that I've been hiding, and I'm gonna go give it to them. Okay, so y'all come with me. Okay, I'm in my room a mess, so don't talk about my room, but they don't know. Hold on, nobody know. So shit, be quiet, don't say, cause they don't know yet. We gotta pretend like it's a vlog. What y'all doing? I look cute. You know what I'm saying? I got a gift for y'all. Y'all see this? That's her name. It's not yours, sorry. Sorry. Sorry, it's us.
No, it don't. Yes, it does. So it's gotta be some money in here. Exclusive for Austin. Did it say exclusive on the seal?
Yes, only for your eyes only.
Exclusive on
I couldn't see it. Let me see what you got, Cootie. And look,
Lovebirds
on Netflix, made little butterflies. Which ones you got? Because you should have something different. Oh yeah, you gotta show y'all tickets. Y'all didn't even read the card or did
it says VIP pass. Please join us on the red carpet for girls' night. Invite only. May 22nd. You know the location. If you don't, that means you're not invited.
Bam. Where? And what's that in your hand over there?
My ticket.
It's your ticket. It say, I mean, how many?
1.
Okay. I told them I was doing invitations, right? This one over here said that her invitation better have butterflies flying out. So me, I went to YouTube. I looked out how to make these butterflies. Oh yeah, this is my birthday gift from Cootie, y'all. I love me.
Yes, I believe you.
Yeah, we're about to go get the other girls their invitation. So I hope they as excited as these to us.
See y'all in a minute.
We'll see y'all in a
They
minute.
appreciate it because
Let it go.
wanna break now. Wait a minute. Girls' night. Hey, we did it again.
So stay tuned for the movie night vlog. It's gonna be lit.